Buying a phone number for Retell AI is your first step toward building smarter, AI-powered conversations, and I'll walk you through it in this quick guide. First, log into your Retell AI dashboard. Once there, find the section dedicated to phone numbers. It's usually clearly labeled, often as phone numbers or settings. Within the phone number section, you'll see an option to buy number or add number. Click on this button, which will start the phone number purchasing process. Next, you'll be prompted to select a country and an area code. You can usually browse this by using a drop-down selection. Retell AI offers a wide range of countries, so choose the one that suits your business needs. After choosing your country, it's time to look for an available area code or number. You can usually search by desired area code or specify the type of number: toll-free, local, etc. Once your criteria are in place, you'll see a list of available numbers. Review the numbers available and select the one you want to use, ensuring it's a good fit for your business. Finalize your purchase by clicking the purchase button and following any on-screen instructions to complete the transaction and finalize your payment. Once your purchase is complete, look out for a confirmation message. Success! You now have a phone number for Retell AI.